Welcome back to MACMIMIC, where you can simply view, imitate, replicate, and get on with your day. If there is a specific issue for which you would like to see a video, please leave a comment. During day-to-day use of macOS, you might have come across a little orange or little green dot in the top right corner. I know that I only noticed it when watching a video full screen, and at first I thought it had to do with the frame rate or buffering of the video. For example, when I run a video full screen, there is now an orange dot in the top right corner. It turns out that the dots are part of Apple's privacy indicators, and they got introduced in macOS Big Sur. An orange dot will appear when an application is using the microphone, and a green dot will appear when an app is using the camera. I don't mean a physical green LED light if you have an iMac monitor, but an actual green dot in the software. In macOS Sonoma 14.4 or later, you can also choose to hide the privacy indicators on an external display while you are viewing something in full screen. They will, however, always be displayed on the main display. The privacy indicators were designed to enhance your privacy by providing a visual indicator when sensitive system peripherals are being accessed or used. So if you aren't expecting applications to use them, you can now further investigate things. The control center, the icon of the two switches on top of each other, will show the application and what is being used. In this case, DaVinci Resolve is accessing the microphone, and when I close down the application, the orange dot disappears, and the control center will momentarily report that the microphone was used by DaVinci Resolve recently. And then if you come back in a minute or so, nothing is reported. Now for an example with the camera or webcam. Let me start FaceTime and enable the camera. There is immediately a green dot visible, and Control Center tells me that it is FaceTime. The green dot is also the color when both the camera and microphone are being used simultaneously, for example FaceTime and DaVinci Resolve. And when closed, it reports momentarily that it was recently accessed, nothing further is reported. And then in a minute or so, nothing further is being reported. If you want to prevent apps from using the camera, right-click the system settings and select Privacy and Security. Or start System Settings and select the same from the left-hand sidebar and click Microphone. The list here shows applications that at some point have requested access to your microphone, and you can manage microphone access here. Of course, you can do the same for camera. However, note that FaceTime will never show up here, because it is considered a system application by macOS and built-in applications aren't listed. Other or third-party applications that tried to access your camera will of course show up in the list. That's it. Hope it helped, and if it did, please like the video and keep it up. Until next time, bye!